One of the best ways to prepare for finding a job is to take advantage of your college's Career Center. Let me tell you right now, do not sleep on the Career Center. It can help you in more ways than you can imagine. At your college's Career Center, you can find student positions to work at, learn about internship opportunities, prepare for the beginning of your professional career, and get access to several resources to help you along the way. They've got people who can help you with your resume or your cover letter, and you can even start prepping for an interview with them. They'll even tell you the do's and don'ts of interviews, and you can sign up for a mock interview if you really need. If you're looking for a job, you're ready to apply, or you're preparing for an interview, go check out your Career Center. In addition to helping you land a job outside of the campus bubble, the Career Center can actually help you find jobs on campus. Take advantage of the Career Center to learn about internships, part-time jobs, full-time jobs, and even work-study jobs that are available on campus. Many colleges and universities actually partner with outside companies and post their job listings on their campus jobs portal. If you're having trouble finding it, talk to your school's career services department and see if they can introduce you to someone that works at the company that you're looking into. If you're already searching, you can get suggested strategies for job hunting, get connected with alumni to learn more about their careers, and get ahead on your networking skills. Let's talk internships. Landing an internship is a great way to build skills and gain experience. You can gain valuable work experience in your field before graduating, and your Career Center can walk you through the process of how to find an internship. If you're more interested in finding a remote internship that you can do from home, check out our guide on how to find online internships. And if for some odd reason your school doesn't have a Career Center, GetSchooled offers you all of these resources and support that you need for free. Just head to getschooled.com and check out all the resources we have over there. As always, we want to see you guys succeed, so hit us up if you need some help. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.